with the engine in my chest. Coffee's cold, but I don't need the rest. Got a metal bird and a nervous smile. I'm crossing lines in a single mile. No teacher now, no hand to hold, just wind and sky and stories told through broken clouds and morning flame. I sign my name inside the frame. I'm flying solo, shaking loose from every chain I ever knew. Radio humming, heartbeat loud, I disappear above the crowd. Clouds look like cities I left behind, ghosts in the mirrors of my mind. But I'm not running, I'm just going, learning how to carry on. I'm flying solo, out of sight, burning slow into the light. No one calling, no control, just open sky and rock and roll. And if I fall as me, a line erased across the sea. But if I rise, then let it be a loud defiance in the free. I'm flying solo, can't come down, spinning silence all around, steel and thunder, heart and soul. I was lost, now I am home. The runway glows like a neon scar. I talk to ghosts from a cigarette jar. They tell me nothing I don't already know. Just keep it steady, don't let it go. The tower's voice is a distant sound, like broken angels on common ground. But I don't answer,